Our topic for today is carbon and its compounds 2. Carbon and its compounds 2. Carbon 2 oxide. Sources. Carbon 2 oxide is produced by incomplete combustion of carbon compounds such as obtaining petrol and charcoal fire and exhaust fumes. Preparation. It is prepared from carbon 4 oxide by passing carbon 4 oxide through red hot carbon. Carbon 4 oxide plus carbon to give carbon 2 oxide. The unreacted carbon 4 oxide is removed by passing it over sodium hydroxide solution. It can be collected over water. Physical properties. Number 1. It is colorless, tasteless, and odorless gas. Number 2. It is insoluble in water, but dissolves in solution of ammoniacal copper 1 chloride. Number 3. It is slightly less dense than air. Number 4. It is neutral to litmus paper. It is a poisonous gas as it combines with hemoglobin in the red blood cells to form a stable compound, carboxyhemoglobin, COHB. Carbon 2 oxide plus Hb to give COHB. The person will die for lack of oxygen. It combines with oxygen, carbon 2 oxide plus oxygen to give carbon 4 oxide. It behaves as a reducing agent. Lead oxide plus CO to give lead plus CO2. It is used in the extraction of metals. Types of coal are peat, lignite or brown coal, bituminous or soft coal, anthracite or hard coal. Coal is mainly used as fuel to generate power for steam engines, factories, and electric plants. It is also used for making various chemicals. Destructive distillation of coal. The product of destructive distillation of coal are coke, ammoniacal liquor, coal tar, and coal gas. The product of destructive distillation of wood are wood going into wood charcoal, pyroligneous acid, wood tar, and wood gas. Coke is used in the manufacture of synthetic gas, water gas, and producer gas. It is also used in the manufacture of graphite, calcium carbide, silicon carbide, carbon 4 sulfide. Producer gas contains 1/3 of carbon 2 oxide and 2/3 of nitrogen by volume, obtained by heating coke in limited supply of air. Carbon plus oxygen to give carbon 4 oxide plus heat. Carbon 4 oxide plus carbon to give carbon 2 oxide, or oxygen plus nitrogen plus carbon to give nitrogen plus carbon 2 oxide plus heat. The combination of nitrogen and carbon 2 oxide makes up the producer gas. Water gas. Carbon heated at red hot plus steam at 1000 degrees Celsius to give carbon 2 oxide plus hydrogen. Combination of carbon 2 oxide and hydrogen makes up the water gas. It is used as fuel and source of hydrogen. Examples. Number 1. One of these is not a reaction of charcoal. A. Carbon plus oxygen to give carbon 4 oxide. B. Carbon 4 oxide plus carbon to give carbon 2 oxide. C. Carbon 2 oxide plus oxygen to give carbon 4 oxide. And D. Carbon 4 oxide plus carbon 2 oxide to give carbon 2 oxide. Option A, B, C are all reactions of charcoal. The correct answer is option D. Carbon 4 oxide plus carbon 2 oxide will give carbon 2 oxide. It is not true. Number 2. The liquid product of the destructive distillation of coal is A. Ammoniacal liquor, B. Coal fume, C. Dye stuff, and D. Coal plasma. The correct answer is option A. Ammoniacal liquor, because it's one of the products and it's a liquid product of destructive distillation of coal. Number 3. Gas which dissolves in ammoniacal copper 1 chloride but insoluble in water is A. Ammonia, B. Carbon 2 oxide, C. Nitrogen 1 oxide, and D. Carbon 4 oxide. The correct answer is option B. Carbon 2 oxide.